PocketBook is at it again with the Era Lite. We will be getting into the differences between this and the standard Era, the one that looks like this with the side buttons. You know what? I actually do see some buttons on the side. I'm not entirely sure because I can't make it out, but it does look like it still has the forward and back, so we're looking good there. Typically, if you guys don't know, Lite versions or E versions, more of the kind of economical versions of the e-reader world, they typically remove a lot of the features like that. So let's look on the back and just give you guys some specs. It has a 7-inch screen, 1300 E Ink Carta, 1680 by 1264, Bluetooth, text-to-speech, smart light function, USB-C, and water resistant. It weighs 204 grams. Let's get started. Taking this out of the box. I love the shape. I always enjoy the shape of PocketBook devices. They always look a little bit different than everybody else. Let's put that off to the side. Do they have, man, you know what I love? They should have this red slip in here that shows this guy actually falling with a parachute saying you need a case. So far, I don't see that. I just see some Braille. And I see some warranties, some quick start guides, please. They got rid of that. You know, recently in the past couple releases, they have gotten rid of that. So it's a little bit concerning. So you have the USB-C right there and all of the documentation. Now we're heavy on the documentation because it comes in multiple languages, as you can see right here. Let's give you an idea. Look at all those languages. Everything from Arabic, Bulgarian, all the way down to Ukrainian, Vietnamese. That's a lot of different languages they give you this. All right. Let's check out the unit right here. Come on, everybody. Come on. What do we got? Yeah. Oh, that's nice to hold. They do have the buttons. Good. Okay. That was going to be one of my concerns. You know what? I'm not sure, but it almost looks like there's less of a raised lip here. And we do have, presumably, a speaker. Actually, here. You know what? Not that one. Yeah, that one. Let's look at the quick start guide real quick just to see. Okay, where's English? Page 13. Man, that's a lot. Seriously. Oh, I almost had it. Estonian. English. Okay. Do we have a speaker? Okay, I'm actually looking at the schematic here, and they don't mention that. They actually don't mention the speaker. So we have everything right here. We have the power, back and forward. You have home, LED indicator, USB-C, decorative lid. That's it. Doesn't actually say if that has audio. Now let's open this because this started back on the Viva, which allows you to connect to different things based off of the contact pins. But you know what? I actually don't see any contact pins on this unit. I do see the holes for them. It's really small things like this that really sets PocketBook aside. They have this really nice lengthwise or widthwise, I guess, parallel line design here. You have the PocketBook logo, you have a USB right there, you have all the beautiful buttons and a very nice screen. This is not a flush screen and bezel. I actually like that because they have enough flush screen and bezels in their lineup. It's nice to have something that just kind of breaks the mold every once in a while. It does say Bluetooth and audio format support, but that still doesn't say if that's a speaker because devices that have Bluetooth compatibility still say they can play audio. You just need things like USB headphones, Bluetooth headphones, etc. I'm just going to skip all of this. I am so curious to see if that's an actual speaker. It may be a microphone because it may actually have a grill cut out for the microphone. You might say, no, for sure that's a speaker. Well, they didn't have any contact points at the back, the little contact circles. It was just drilled out circles, so you never actually know. And their unit guide didn't say it had audio. They should have Sherlock Holmes here. They added in on all their units. It's just booting up. If you click on audiobooks, say got it, should have some. There's Sherlock Holmes right there. Here we go. Moment of truth. Play. No. Interesting. Please connect your Bluetooth headphones. Wait a minute. Do they not have audio? That's so interesting. Okay, what they might be doing here, this is a example of them using the exact same shell for multiple use cases. So this does appear to have a speaker cut out, but their guide is correct. I apologize. This is correct. They don't mention the speaker because it's not one. you do need to connect your Bluetooth headphones. So that will not have onboard audio, although it sure... Oh, there's the volume controls. Yeah, it just doesn't work there. So we have a traditional menu here. We'll get into all this in the review, but you do have your brightness, you have your smart light, which makes things nice and warm. You got your dark mode, which inverts all the colors. You have your flight mode, and you have your settings. We will get into every single one of these when we get into the full review, but for now, this is everything that comes in the box with the new PocketBook 2026 Era Lite. Stay tuned for the full review.